here with Avkin, and we are going to do a tutorial on how to do some moulage. Today we're going to do a slit neck, so it's going to look like you just got sliced right in the neck. So liquid latex, which I just dumped into this container. So you're going to use a spoon to apply it. That's probably the easiest way. So you're just going to want to start with your first coat of just the simple liquid latex. Then you're going to just start applying your tissue paper on top of that. You're going to cut it and you're going to try to get it right here in the center and go right across. So I'm going to make a hole with the tiny scissors, but then I'm going to come back with the larger scissors. I'm just going to take some thick blood. So this is our fresh scab. So you can use that, and I'm going to start putting that on the inside of the wound. So I'm going to lift up this liquid latex, and I'm just going to start putting it on the inside of the wound. And you want it thick, so if you can get it thick, that's best. But then you're going to use this thick blood, and then you can use either just a sponge or a stippling brush or something like that. But then you're kind of just going to go around here, and you're just going to put kind of a thin layer of blood